In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the ignition coil, push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using an 8mm socket, remove the bolt for the ignition coil. Remove the bolt, pull straight up on the ignition coil, and remove it from the vehicle. Using a 16mm socket or a spark plug socket, remove the spark plug. Remove the spark plug. Install the new spark plug. Get it started by hand. Snug it down. Torque the spark plug to 106 inch-pounds or 8.8 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coil. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. Torque the ignition coil bolt to 89 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.